Hello children, today we are going to start our fourth lesson of English grammar, that is kinds of adjectives. Before we start our lesson, let us recall what we have learned so far. Adjectives are the words that refer to the qualities of people, things and ideas, or which group them into classes. An adjective basically describes a noun. That means whatever word is used to describe a noun is an adjective. Let us see what are the different types of adjectives. There are 4 types of adjectives. The first one is proper adjective. Proper adjective is an adjective that is used to describe a proper noun. For example, the proper noun India will have Indian as its proper adjective. Likewise, China will have Chinese. America will have American and so on as their adjectives. The second one is descriptive adjective. These are the adjectives that qualifies as a description assigned to a noun. These are brave, sick, kind, good, obedient. Let's take some example. Alice is a good girl. Here, the girl Alice is described with descriptive adjective good. Let us see another example. Isaac is an obedient student. Here, the student Isaac is assigned the descriptive adjective obedient. The third one is quantitative adjective. These are the adjectives that are used to describe the quantity of something. That means to show how much of that particular substance is present, we use these adjectives. For example, I have some books. Some here is the quantitative adjective. Often we use words like much, some, any, now, a little and so on to describe the quantity of a particular thing. These are the quantitative adjectives. The fourth one we are going to study is numeral adjective. These are the adjective forms of numbers. For example, he stood first in class. Here, first describes the position of the person. Hence, it is a numeral adjective. Before we go further with the chapter, let us understand the use of some adjectives. First one is some. We use some in affirmative or positive sentences. That means, whenever we use some, we cannot use not, none or such a kind of negative words with it. Next one is any. Any is used in negative sentences and questions. That means we can use any with negative words such as no, not, none, and so on. Next is usage of much and little. We use much and little with uncountable nouns. That means we can use much and little with the things that cannot be counted. For example, I have a little headache. As headache cannot be counted, we use little with it. Likewise, we can say he doesn't like it very much. Now here, the liking of the person cannot be counted, so we say he doesn't like it very much. The much here shows that some idea of his liking. Now the next usage, many and a few. These words can be used with countable plural nouns. That means we can use these with the things that can be counted. These are specifically used with plural nouns. For example, how many flowers do you have? Here, you can count the number of flowers, hence we use many. I have a few coins in my pocket. Here, since the number of coins can be counted, we use few.